It's me again in the car. So today we're doing a post-leg day 10k, and I'm not a very proficient jogger or runner. Haven't done too much of it in my life. I've done one other 10k probably 2 years ago, and it was a bit of a slog, but it was really enjoyable and felt incredible afterwards. So yeah, this is a post-leg day 10k straight off the bat, and the weather is miserable, but we're going to do it and we'll see how we get on. So watch this space. So here we are at Max's in Rushden. Have my banana. It's going to be an interesting one trying to film this because it is raining and this camera isn't waterproof, so let's see how that goes. Muddy Salamans. Yeah, I record everything nowadays, bro.
Then Meg was saying, I thought you were talking to me.
Oh, you don't have to worry about interrupting it.
No, sorry.
He
was taking the
The life of a vlog. I think I might have. Feeling a bit unprepared.
Ready?
Yep.
Go.
Let's go. Get down the stairs and run. Oh, it's raining a little
Why'd you
bit.
press go? We just. Okay, we go in. Let's do it. Let's do it. Come on, brother. So we're turning left, yeah?
This, Grace, slide up.
Hey, mate.
This is like 10k pace.
Hey, we're going to be drowned rats by the end of this.
Yeah, good. Watch out, this brick slippy when it's
Alright, mate.
a bit quick.
Bit quick.
Yeah. We'll pick it up a little bit later as well if we need to. But this is a hard bit of the run.
So we're going to try and do this in an hour, basically, yeah?
Yeah. We'll run all the way there, all the way back. Hopefully it's 10k.
See, if you can do it in this weather, then next time when it's sunny, it'll be easy. Yeah, honestly, it's the first 2k that are the worst. Yeah. Alright, let's do this. Through suburbia, and then we'll be down into the country park, yeah, in a bit.
Yeah, around the country park twice. Not bad.
So that first K done, into the country park. First K's got to be a bit of a warm up, isn't it?
Yeah, this is rapid now.
Do you remember being here on our mountain bikes trying to do wheelies?
Yeah, oh yeah.
Let's big Maxi. Ew.
Come on.
So we'll do 2 laps of country park and then back.
Yeah.
Now we 10. So that's got to be, there's got to be an evolutionary benefit to that.
Yeah.
You're just saying it's,
Plans to
yeah, find food sources, surely.
Is it nice though? It's quite nice.
It's fertility, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Yeah.
You're just saying about how earthy it feels, or smells.
Can't even speak when you're running. Or think, yeah, how earthy it smells when you get down into the forest. Trying to speak smart when you're running is not the one.
I try to count rep ranges and miles or anything like that. Fuck.
Right, we're about 3/4 of the way through. One last bit of the woods and then back along the road. And it's so hard to film. What are you saying, Big Maxi?
Come on.
Yoo-hoo! Yeah, mate. It's intense. It's so hard to film. That's it. Just turning into Max's Street now. It's an average of just over 8-minute miles. What a mad feeling. Feel insanely alive. Top's come off, as usual. I think you used to see me with my top off. Brother. That's major, man. That's major.
Stop your watch.
Right, that is 52 minutes. 52 minutes. It's 6.23 miles.
What's that going into?
We'll have to work it out.
Wait.
So that's to the country park, 2 laps around.
Back.
Post leg day, 10k. One.
That feels good.
And it's free. No equipment necessary.
Free drive.
In fact, I needed less equipment on the way back than I did on the way there. Oh my god, bro. Should we do, what are you saying, stretches?
Yeah. Next. What you say? We just got to work it out.
Google what 6.26 miles is in kilometres.
Meg, you got your phone on you? Because I'm soaking. I've got chafe as well.
Yeah, I'm so free.
How far? 6.2.
6.26.
6.26
I think 5 miles is 8 kilometres.
in kilometres. 6.26 miles in kilometres. Fucking hell.
What was it? 10 point what?
Over 10k.
Yes, brother. What, in 52 minutes?
Yeah.
Mate,
That's quick. I told you we were fucking quick today.
if you'd have done that pace that you were doing at the end,
Yeah.
because when you picked that up,
Yeah.
we broke an 8-minute mile.
Really?
Yeah, we were doing 7.7. Like it was under 8 minutes.
Maybe we could get that down to like fucking pretty impressive.
Imagine
Okay.
under 50 minutes.
We could do that. 50 minutes, under 50 minutes. It's 25 minutes. Okay, we could do that now if we push really.
The worst bit was that last bit,
Yeah.
because like in the forest you've got the stimulation,
Yeah.
but you know along the straight as well you can see where you're going. All right, the aim is to break 50 minutes. It's funny though, isn't it? With running though, like a minute's are pretty gnarly. Like those 2 minutes will be like a big ask. Oh, fucking hell. Oh.